Hello, in front of me I've got CarPuride, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay tab. In this video I'll show you how to connect your smartphone to Apple CarPlay wirelessly. In the beginning on your iPhone, let's go to Bluetooth settings. Now select CarPuride. Pair, allow, use CarPlay, and now as you can see we are connected. Let's go home and select iPlay. Now sometimes there might be some problems, so you'll have to reconnect to Bluetooth, but currently I got connected without any malfunctions. And now you can use the Apple CarPlay wirelessly. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.